We are at Lake Elmo Elementary, and we are in one of the original parts of the building. And as you can see, we need a little bit of ceiling work here. And if you follow me around the corner, we are going to go up the staircase. And the concern with the staircase is that this is the only way we can access the second floor. So anybody who has mobility challenges cannot access the second floor of Lake Elmo Elementary, and that is not fair to our students. I'm in the former staff lounge here at Lake Elmo Elementary. As we have run out of space, we have converted the lounge really into a space for 3 English language learning teachers to work from. And as you can see around here, we still have the old kitchen facility from it. And we've got these draperies up, these curtains that we use to divide the room. And once again, here at Lake Elmo, we are taking every possible piece of the school we can to try and meet the needs of our students. On the theme of space here at Lake Elmo, you can see we have our storage is actually in the hallways because we don't have any storage rooms to put it in, because all of our storage rooms are being used for instruction. So here we are in our band rehearsal room at Lake Elmo Elementary. From what I understand, this used to be a bathroom, but continuing with on our needs for our list of space needs, we have converted this into a rehearsal room. Here we are in a room off of the media center where our kids are receiving individual instruction from teachers. And as you can see, we've got multiple kids receiving instruction throughout the room because we don't have the ability to separate our students into smaller rooms. Hello.
Good morning.
And this is what the inside of a portable looks like. Any idea on how long we've had these portables?
Oh my goodness. Far longer than I've been here. 10, 15 years maybe?
Yeah, I was guessing 15 at least.
Yeah, I think something like that.
So when we're talking about opportunities or equal opportunities for our kids in the district, here's an example of one building using every piece of space that they have because we just don't have the really the room for our students to meet their needs. So this is one of the reasons we're going to the voters on November 7th to provide more space for our students in a better learning environment.